Welcome! This video is about using OWL's Test Progress Monitor. It can be used by proctors or test administrators on an assignment's roster, instructors who have created the assignment, and of course, your system administrator. The Test Progress Monitor can be found here under the Testing menu. So what is this? Basically, we're looking at all the examinees who are currently taking tests. If a student launches their assignment but has not yet started the test, so maybe they are reading the directions or doing a system check, they will appear as an empty line like this. These sessions will remain open until either the student finishes their test or you manually close the session from this page. We'll talk about that more in a moment. First, let's take a quick tour of the page. The first thing you'll notice is that it refreshes every 60 seconds. If all this blinking is too much for you, you can pause it with this button right here. Then, if you need to refresh it manually from time to time, just click here. Now for the information. First, you'll see the assignment and the test taker. As you can see, you may be monitoring more than one assignment at a time. These columns show when the testing session started and the person's progress through the test. The next two columns are about the examinee's ability to resume their test. And to the right, we have some more descriptive information. Using the Test Progress Monitor is quite simple. You just select the response with the checkbox and then click the command. The first command is Accept Response. Let's say the test taker stops taking the test or doesn't close their session properly. When you accept, the test session is closed and the assignment is ready to rate. It is important that you close out any abandoned testing sessions periodically, as they count against the number of concurrent testing slots allowed for your domain. Next, we have Reset Response. This is like a do-over. All questions are cleared and the response record is deleted. The test taker can retake the assignment from the beginning. Finally, the Enable and Disable Resume commands. Let's say the resume on the assignment is set to no. You would see it marked here as false. But perhaps there has been an unexpected interruption like a power outage. You may want to make a one-time exception and let your examinee back into the test session. You would select the response and click Enable. Now you can see that this column is marked true. You can select and click Disable if you want to turn this back off again. So that's all there is to the Test Progress Monitor. Thank you for your time and for choosing the OWL Test Management System.